Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of baking soda and its hidden health benefits. From skincare to cleaning hacks, we've got you covered. We're talking about practical, affordable solutions that can make a real difference in your life. So whether you're a baking soda believer or a curious skeptic, stick around. Let's get started. Did you know that nearly 1 in 7 American adults struggle with kidney disease? It's a silent epidemic. According to renowned physician Dr. Julian Whitaker, baking soda's alkaline nature acts as a buffer against harmful acids in the body. This is crucial because as we age, our kidneys naturally become less efficient at removing acid buildup. Dr. Whitaker's research suggests that incorporating baking soda into your routine could potentially slow the rate of kidney decline by an astonishing 2/3. The potential benefits here are simply too significant to ignore. We've all been there, that uncomfortable, sometimes painful feeling of indigestion. But before you reach for expensive remedies, consider this. Baking soda might be just what your stomach ordered. Dr. Whitaker suggests a simple remedy for indigestion: a baking soda solution. Stir half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a cup of water and drink it about an hour after eating. Baking soda helps neutralize excess stomach acid, providing fast-acting relief. It's like hitting the reset button on your digestion. Of course, if you experience frequent or severe heartburn, always consult your doctor. A bright white smile can boost your confidence. Baking soda's gentle abrasive properties help break down the molecules that cause stains on our teeth. Imagine gently lifting away discoloration, revealing the natural whiteness underneath. Baking soda also fights harmful bacteria that can lead to cavities and gum disease. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for your oral health. Many commercial mouthwashes contain harsh chemicals and alcohol. That's why I'm excited to share this natural alternative baking soda mouthwash. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a glass of warm water and swish it around your mouth. This helps neutralize acids, fight bacteria, and freshen breath, all without the harshness of conventional mouthwashes. This next use for baking soda might surprise you. A study at Sunnybrook Hospital in Toronto explored baking soda in treating chronic ulceration. The study found that baking soda therapy significantly improved the condition of 7 out of 10 patients. While more research is needed, this study highlights the incredible potential of baking soda in addressing complex health challenges. Nobody enjoys the feeling of sweating through their deodorant. Baking soda works by neutralizing the acids present in sweat, stopping odor at its source. Renowned physician John Henderson Lamb, Maryland, explains that baking soda creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive. It's like a breath of fresh air for your underarms. For all you fitness enthusiasts, baking soda might be the secret weapon you need. A study published in Biomed Central found that consuming sodium bicarbonate before exercise can significantly impact athletic performance. Participants experienced elevated peak blood lactate levels, delaying muscle fatigue. They also reported a lower rating of perceived exertion, meaning their workouts felt easier. We've all been there, that moment when you realize you've spent too much time in the sun. Baking soda might be your new best friend for sunburn relief. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize the acidity on the skin's surface, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Create a soothing paste by mixing baking soda with water and applying it to the affected areas. Stains happen. Research at the University of Nebraska shows baking soda interacts with acids in stains, neutralizing them and breaking down the molecules that cause discoloration. From coffee spills to ink marks, baking soda can tackle a wide range of household stains. Make a paste with water, apply it to the stain, let it sit, and then blot it away. Many of us are looking for natural, effective, and affordable cleaning solutions. The dynamic duo of baking soda and vinegar has been a staple in households for generations. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar creates carbonic acid, a powerful cleaning agent. It's like a natural cleaning volcano, lifting away dirt and leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Thanks for watching. If you found these baking soda hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We're all about finding simple, affordable solutions that make a real difference in your life. Remember, that humble box of baking soda in your pantry is a treasure trove of potential. See you next time.